on 7 Wonders of the World 2021. So let's move on. Before moving on, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and also subscribe my feature channel, which is the name Travel and Fun Vlogs by Herald. So subscribe also that channel. So now let's move on.
So today I'm going to talk about 7 Wonders of the World 2021. As we all know that there are 7 wonders of the world which are the most famous monuments in the world. Today I'm going to show a PPT on 7 wonders of the world declared in the year 2021. Also every year the top 7 wonders will change. The below given are the top 7 monuments of the 2021. The 7 wonders. First wonder, the Nazca Lines, Peru. The Nazca Lines in southern Peru are a group of pre-Columbian geoglyphs enriched in desert sands, covering an area of nearly 1,000 square feet kilometers. There are about 300 different figures, including animals and plants, composed of over 10,000 lines, some of which measure 30 meters wide and stretch more than 9 kilometers. The figures are most visible from air or nearby hilltops. This is an image of Nazca Lines, Peru. Second wonder, Great Wildebeest Migration, Tanzania and Kenya. The Great Wildebeest Migration, the annual migration of great herds and grazers across northern Tanzania and Kenya, is a truly spectacular event. Over 2 million wildebeest, zebras and gazelles move through the Segregate and Masai Mara ecosystem in search of great pasture in a regular pattern. This is an image of the Great Wildebeest Migration. Third wonder, Arches National Park, Utah. Arches National Park lies north of Moab in the state of Utah, bordered by the Colorado River in the southeast. It's known as the site of more than 2,000 natural sandstone arches, such as massive red hued delicate arch in the east. Long thin landscape arch stands in Devil's Garden to the north. This is an image of Arches National Park, which is located in Utah. Fourth wonder, Mount Fuji, Japan. Japan's Mount Fuji is an active volcano about 100 kilometers southeast of Tokyo, commonly called Fujisan. It's the country's tallest peak at 3,776 meters. A pilgrimage site of centuries, it's considered one of the Japan's third scared mountains, and summit hikes remain a popular activity. This is an image of Mount Fuji, which is located in Japan. Amazon rainforest, Brazil. The Amazon rainforest, covering much of northwestern Brazil and extending into Colombia, Peru, and other South American countries, is the world's largest tropical rainforest, famed for its biodiversity. It's crisscrossed by thousands of rivers, including the powerful Amazon. This is an image of Amazon rainforest, which is located in Brazil. Sixth wonder, Callanish stones, Scotland. The Callanish stones are an arrangement of standing stones placed in a cruciform pattern with a central stone circle. They are erected in the late Neolithic era and were a focus of ritual activity during the Bronze Age. This is an image of Callanish stones which is located in Scotland. Seventh one, Mosquito Bay. Vieques is an island municipality of Puerto Rico in the northeastern Caribbean, part of an island grouping sometimes known as the Spanish Virgin Islands. Vieques is part of Commonwealth of Puerto Rico and retains strong influence from 400 years of Spanish presence in the island. This is an image of Mosquito Bay. Thank you for seeing my presentation.
Friends, I hope that you all enjoyed my PPT presentation on 7 Wonders of the World 2021. And also please note this, on every year the 7 Wonders of the World, which are the top 7 famous monuments in the world, will change every year. So if these monuments are in 2021, in the next year 2022 it will be another monuments. So let's wind up. Hope you like my video. Please don't forget to share to your friends and family, like my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's see you in the next video. So bye.